Hey kids, have you ever wondered why your parents work hard every day? They wake up early, go to their jobs, and sometimes even work late into the night. But have you ever thought about why they do it? Well, money is super important because it helps us buy all the things we need and want, from yummy treats like ice cream and candy to essential items like food and clothes. Money is what makes it all possible. And it's not just about the basics. Money allows us to enjoy cool toys, stylish clothes, and interesting books that can take us on amazing adventures. It also lets us go on fun trips with our family and friends, creating memories that last a lifetime. Whether it's a trip to the beach, a visit to a theme park, or a simple picnic in the park, money helps make these experiences possible. Learning about money is like learning a new game. Once you know the rules, you can become a pro at managing your money like a superhero. Imagine being able to save up for something special or even help others in need. It's never too early to start, so let's dive into the exciting world of money and learn some cool tricks. You'll discover how to save, spend wisely, and even how to make your money grow. Wouldn't it be amazing to have enough money to buy that awesome video game you've been eyeing for months? Think about all the fun you could have playing it with your friends, or that pretty dress you saw at the mall. You could wear it to a special event or just feel great wearing it any day. Well, with a little bit of financial knowledge, you can make your dreams come true. By understanding how money works, you can set goals and achieve them, making your wishes a reality. So, are you ready to become a money whiz and unlock a world of possibilities? Let's get started on this exciting journey and see where it takes us. Saving money is like having a superpower. It's a special ability that can help you achieve your dreams and goals. It means keeping some of your money safe instead of spending it all at once. By doing this, you can make sure you have money for things you really want or need in the future. Think of it like collecting coins in your piggy bank. The more you save, the richer your piggy bank gets. Each coin you add is like a step closer to your goal. Imagine you get 100 rupees as your weekly allowance. That's a lot of money for a kid. Instead of spending it all, what if you decide to save 20 rupees every week? Over time, this small amount can grow into something much bigger. You can keep this money in your piggy bank or ask your parents to open a savings account for you at a bank. A savings account can help your money grow even more with interest. Now, you might be thinking, but I want to buy that new comic book now. It's okay to want things, but sometimes waiting can be worth it. Well, that's where the superpower of saving comes in. By saving, you can eventually buy that comic book and still have money left for other things. It's all about making smart choices with your money. Budgeting is another cool money trick that helps you become a money master. It's like making a plan for your money, deciding how much you will spend and how much you will save. Let's say you receive 100 rupees as pocket money. You could make a budget like this: savings 20 rupees, snacks 30 rupees, toys 50 rupees. This way, you know exactly where your money is going and you can make sure you don't overspend. But budgeting isn't just about dividing your money. It's also about setting goals and making smart choices. For example, if you want to buy a new toy that costs 100 rupees, you might decide to save more and spend less on snacks. This way, you can reach your goal faster. Writing down your budget in a notebook or using money jars labeled "Spend and Save" can help you keep track of your progress. It's a fun and easy way to see how your money grows over time. Remember, budgeting is a skill that takes practice. The more you do it, the better you'll get at managing your money. So start today and become a money master. With a little planning and smart choices, you can make your money work for you. This way, you know exactly where your money is going, and you can make sure you don't overspend. Section 4. Your dream, your savings. Remember that video game or that pretty dress you really wanted? By saving money and sticking to your budget, you can make your dreams a reality. Let's say the video game you want costs 1,000 rupees. If you save 100 rupees every week, you can buy the game in just 10 weeks. See? Saving money and budgeting helps you buy the things you truly desire without getting into trouble. Section 5. Be money smart, live life king size. Learning about money and managing it wisely is a life skill that will always be useful. Remember, being smart with your money doesn't mean you can't enjoy it. It just means you make wise choices and plan for the things you want. So keep these money tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your dreams and living a happy and fulfilling life.